sometimes faulty hardware happens. If it does happen again, then I will create a follow-up video. Okay, so a while back, I made a video about a hardware issue that I encountered with my 2018 P series, and I made a whole video about it, basically detailing the whole warranty process. And I will link that video down below so you can be up to date. So go watch that first and then come back. And as I promised in that video, if I ever ran into any issues with the replacement unit, I would immediately follow up with an update video. So basically, to summarize what happened, my first Vizio P series developed a hardware issue where the full array local dimming stopped working. So I contacted Vizio and they quickly provided a replacement. However, the replacement unit was a refurbished model and it had another issue, which caused the TV to randomly shut off. This issue was completely random. Sometimes the unit was working fine for a couple hours before it would randomly turn off, and other times it would happen within 15 minutes. At first, I thought it was an issue relating to the remote, but that was quickly eliminated. During this particular time, I really wasn't watching any content, but rather I was gaming quite a bit. And when the TV would shut off, it would frustrate me to no end. And the TV wouldn't boot up for a few seconds, absolutely destroying my experience with the TV. And as I stated, sometimes it would happen within a few minutes, and other times it would take a couple hours. And in some rare instances, it wouldn't even happen at all during the day. Again, all of this occurred with the refurbished replacement. But at this point, I had seen enough. So I contacted Vizio again and they immediately determined that a new model would be the best option. So here's the replacement timeline. I contacted Vizio on August 5th with the issue and I had a home delivery on August 14th. So everything happened relatively quick and very smooth. So they delivered a brand new in-box Vizio P series 2018 and the delivery guys unboxed the new Vizio and first ensured that the unit was operational before repackaging the refurbished model. And just to reiterate, once you receive a new product from Vizio, you get a 3-month extended warranty, or whatever is left on your current 1-year warranty, whichever is greater. Currently, I'm completely out of a warranty because it's been over 3 months since I received this brand new P series. But that's okay, the unit is brand new and is working flawlessly. And now things are working as they should be. Although I would have preferred a new replacement from the start, but regardless, Vizio has treated me extremely well, and I fully understand that the hardware issues happen, and they are inherently part of tech, and they will happen to any tech, but it's all on how the company responds and treats their customers. I still highly recommend Vizio, as they're challenging some of the higher-end LED TVs at a more affordable price. And I really like that they're including full array backlights on all their units and local dimming on most of their lineup, while other manufacturers reserve those features for their higher end models. And I will continue the same promise I made in the first video. If I run into any other issues, I will make a part 3 video, and I will pin a new comment with an update on this video. Anyways, that was a quick update on the warranty process. Seriously, check out the first video and you will understand more of what's going on. If you're just interested in information about the P series, I also have a full review on the unit. I also have a video detailing the best color settings for the P series. So please check all of that out, links down below. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. And as always, I'll catch you guys next time.